Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up your notifications on the Monese app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the settings and then go to notifications and communication. And here you will see they have a lot of options. What informations would you like to see in your notifications tab? So first, you can turn in or turn off the card payment if you would like to see in your notifications all your payments. And below all the options, you can see an example how that notification would look like. So for example, for card payments, you would see 2.15 euros at Amazon. The second one is include balance in notifications, which is going to look like the same as the card payment and following with your remaining balance. So 2.15 euros at Amazon, 219 euros remaining. You can turn on the smart tips section, which is going to show you tips, budgeting tips, and tips for using their app. Low balance notification is set to an amount that you can type in here. You can set it to 500 euros or 10 euros. And if you enable this notification, it will show you when your balance drops below that level, so you can top up your account. Account updates, marketing communications. If you turn this on, you will receive marketing emails, which is the coolest thing ever, as we all know. And obviously incoming payments, you can turn this on or off. You can set an amount here as well if you want to receive notifications for payments only over some amount. Maybe you are not interested in €1 payments. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.